Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear Khabar. Today I have visited GPS Islam School Lot 1. Then the game sir, rehabilitation slab the master existing classroom, slab the passer. I'll take you still verify ko. Chekam master the rehabilitation. Uh, slab the passer chekam reinforcement 1 by 4 inch. That's 6 inch center spacing the change. The 45 master main bars the 29 distribution bar the mark count. Darashante cover blocks like to avoid rusting and corrosion. The veranda came existing classroom number 3 slab top the veranda adult came sara reinforcement like 1 by 4 inch steel bars at the rate 6 inch center to center, and it has been verified 45 is the main bars which plays on long distance, and 15 is the distribution bar which plays on shorter span. So 45 and 15 the bars verified issue. This is main reinforcement. Main slab there. Main slab check there. According to BBS, the master the portion show master. The portion ke check there. Steel bars the no aga axis 1 to 2, and this is grid A wala D for it. The sara 46 check the main bars the check short bars the, and come palang span bani pata di. The grid D for it. 46 bars the, and similarly check distribution bars the check the axis 1 or 2 bani pata di. 23 bars the verify show including projections. That moves towards second portion, which is axis 1 to 3. Axis 1, axis 2, and this one is according to structural drawings. This one is axis 3. The axis 1 check master main bars the according to BPS and structural drawings of 4060. Check axis 1 to 3 body Ratadi, and this one is these main bars. Now 4060 it has been verified. Check distribution bars the check master grid D wala grid H pani di masara according to structural drawing 37 di check dasi pata di. So the main bars and distribution bars verify shu dasi masara zabada karawan. The X is 1 day or grid A na H for it. The extra bars di to avoid negative moments and support 80 numbers di or the passive 5 long bars di. Similarly, the negative bar show. Let's move towards this one. Similarly, 80 bars musara axis 2 bani di or grid N H bani di. Damasara 5 feet ki. Damasara 5 feet ki chekam de. Extra bars di the passive long extra bars di. Center ki masara देखो the center de. Center ki masara chekam di 9 feet extra bars di. Chekam throughout 3 di agam 84 di overall agam verify show on site or the passive chekam di 17-foot long bars di. And similarly delta extra bars installed di axis 1 to 3 pore delta extra bars installed di, and similarly the verified show they ban extra bars installed di the axis 3 bande grid Dina H pore. Now let's move towards beams. Beams to come that beams to come masa throughout 52 feet the chekam the cut length 60 feet judi including hooks. They can chekam the 12 inches hooks for kadi shudi that was stick come, and that chekam 3 number top extra bars 3 number top main bars or ke bikida dua top fibers ki extra bars 2 numbers. The extra bars best center the extra bars 4 foot 3 inch length ki best center ke chekam di center ke munga the beam per center ke munga extra bars or kili chekam 9 foot 7 inches di no landing main bars the pacific 2 numbers extra bars di. Similarly chekam hooks mung ensure kali di hooks are verified, and similarly this exercise has been repeated to every beam. Top ki main bars, top main bars, bottom main bars, extra bars at corners, negative bars to support negative bending moments, and in the middle we have also provided extra bars in 3 by 4 the length of the beam. 12 blocks are installed to avoid rusting and corrosion. Next comes to electrical fixtures. They your classroom के सारा दो fans दी, दो fan boxes दी, مو सारा दो fan boxes दी, दो fan boxes है कम की सलूट पकी शू, كم slab और ये slab mounted दी. या दे class की दो wall mounted दी, और आ class की दो wall mounted दी. And your class की 12 lights दी, 12 light points दी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 आगे की दी, 24 light शू डलता, 4 पकी शू. Jika masa kam electrical conduits di no aga light ta para munga recurrent to view q 3 by 4 inch 4 inch pipe conduit use करे. Jikam supply da jikam supply da para munga 1 inch use करे de no 1 inch nazbung ta board ta ba supply zi conduits ki और jikam main board de age ta ba supply zi और similarly da veranda slab de dil de ki da dil tam extra bars lagi dili di और jikam dum the projection beams di pahe ki mung extra bars work di recurrent to bar bending schedule and structure drawings. Veranda slab की सर three lights थी दो पक्की थी और projection बने 1 2 3 three lights मुंग सर projection बने according to drawings the slab मुंग overall verify शो ना check शो और contractor दे approval PCC पर हमारा grant को further approval would be discussed and taken with from senior engineership and then अलावा the contractor चकम दी the materials हम लागली दी और दागी materials water bowsers 12 से करे दागी क्रश लागले around 10 से करे दागी sand है and cement चिकन 200 bags already in progress थी और सब bags मनोर राजी and दिन अलावा lift machine home site रगले दे lift machine दे वसरा mixture machine दे रमजान मुबारक ते बल मौसम हम लक्षण थे clouds are floating around the sky no condition that's it to take approval from senior engineers. No, I would then further give them approval to cast this new proposed two classroom, including veranda projection slab, and also with existing slab, veranda, and classroom slab rehabilitation slab. So we would cast this, and thank you so much.